Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session we would learn how to solve the practice problem delete alternate characters. So first we would understand the question and then we would move forward to the solution. So let's start. So basically today's problem is delete alternate characters. So let's take an example to understand this question. So I have a string A, V, N, E, E, T. Okay, now in this string, let's allot the index values. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So basically in this question, I need to delete the odd alternate index position values. So that means I need to delete this, I need to delete this and I need to delete this. So my answer should be A, which is at 0, then N, which is at 2, and then E, which is at 4. So my answer should be this. So basically I need to delete the values, the characters at odd index positions and print the ones at even positions. So what I can do is I can simply A, V, N, E, E and T, right? So what I can do is basically in the question I need to print even positions, right? So I need to print the characters that have even index positions, right? To be more specific, I need the even index positions because I want this, this and this. So for this what I can do is I can take C, it is empty, okay? This is basically empty. Then I can apply a for loop from this to this, okay? And in for loop, I can do the jump of +2 every time. And for example, I got A, then I can just add it in C. Then if I got N, I would add it in C. Then if I got E, right? I need to get E, then I would add it in C. So in the final thing, I need to return with C. So I would return with C. So basically I would create an empty string, then I would apply a for loop with the jump value, with the step value of +2 and then I would return with the value of C. So basically this is how we need to solve the question. I hope you are clear with the concept. Now let's move forward to the solution part. So guys, you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty level, 1 minute. In the difficulty level, you need to choose school, and after choosing school, you need to find the problem delete alternate characters, okay? Once you find it, what do you need to do is, you need to click on solve, okay? Okay, so now let's read the question. Given a string S as input, delete all the characters at odd indices of the string, okay? So now once we have read it, we would code it over here, okay? Now let's do it. So basically, like I discussed, first I would create a empty string, right? It is empty. Then next I would apply a for loop, okay? For I in range, okay? And it would go from what? It would start at the 0 index and then it would go to the ending value of the string, right? So that is S, and it would move with the step value of 2. After this, and finally I would be adding all the positive, that means the even index values in this string. So it would be C plus equal to S and I, okay? Now I would keep on adding all the even indices in C. After this, I just need to return with the value of C, okay? So I would directly return with the value of C. Now to be sure if my answer is correct or not, I would click on compile and run. So let me compile it. It is getting compiled. So let's wait. Compilation is done. My output is matching with the expected output. So now I would click on submit. So let me submit it. So it is successfully submitted. So this is how you solve the practice problem delete alternate characters. So I hope the question is clear to you and you guys have enjoyed this session. Thank you so much for joining me today. Thank you.